On the left-hand side, go to Templates, click Layouts, and depending on the slide, you can change the layout of this template to a different one. So I can have this layout, just a whole different variety of options if you keep scrolling down. If you want, you can also search for a layout that suits your needs. And you can do the same for the rest as well. Just scroll through the options available and choose the layout that suits your needs best. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.